quick catch up. Well, no. No. We jumped on a plane, spent 2 hours in the air, and we've arrived at Brisbane, Australia, part 2 of the trip. So far, this has been great. Australia, it has been such a cool, different experience. I'm so used to going to Asia and seeing all the different like people and food and things like that, but I never had any expectations for Australia. And one thing I can tell you that I've experienced every single day of being in just this country is how friendly the people are. People are just willing to talk to you, tell you their story, let you play with their dog. Granted, there's nice people everywhere, but wow, I've yet to experience anything bad being here. So this vlog is gonna be, this is just another daily vlog. Welcome to another daily vlog. Let's see how much we can jam pack into this one. This has been very much of a relaxy taxi. I think I've told you about my relaxy taxi idea.
Think about it. It's a taxi that people take when they need to relax. It's a relaxy taxi. The name was my favorite part.
And this is very much a relaxy taxi vacation. I love how national buildings will be preserved for iconic fashion businesses, such as the wonderful Louis Vuitton. One day, Louis. One day. But I just want to walk in and see the architecture of the building. Look at how nice this is. I can't afford it, but we can always window shop. Then you have Dior. Window shopping for expensive things is one of my favorite pastimes. We both know that I love thrifting and I love shopping. But lately I've been doing more reusable shopping. For example, in this trip alone, I've packed way too little. So I'm consciously buying things that I can reuse during the trip. You see what I did there? Unfortunately, I can't do that with Dior or Louis Vuitton because, well, see if I bought a necklace from either or. Ooh, Chanel. Who should I be?
The girl?
Hello from Eat Street. Current situation is looking kind of scary. We're stuck all together. I might be smiling, but I'm terrified. You know. I'm like shaking. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm such a scaredy cat. A boat has washed ashore in the thunder. It's so crazy. We must get out. So far, everyone's coming back out to find the remainings of all the things. You hear that? It's the children. They're calling for their parents. Oh, we must leave immediately. All right, I'm gonna try to get through this. Oh, it's getting deeper. It's getting deeper.